Your engine is literally suffocating and you're paying extra for the privilege. Most drivers think that pressing the 93 octane button is like giving their car a shot of vitamins. In reality, at the wrong station, it's more like feeding it slow-acting poison. Did you know that using the wrong premium fuel can lead to carbon buildup that reduces your fuel economy by up to 11% in just 10,000 miles? You're not just wasting money at the pump, you're subsidizing a future $3,000 engine teardown. Today, we're exposing the truth. I'm naming the 13 stations where premium is nothing more than a marketing label, and then I'll show you the 5 brands that actually give your engine the top-tier detergent wash it deserves. Number 13, BP and Amoco. Don't let the different logos fool you, BP and Amoco are the same DNA. While they're marketing their Invigorate additive package heavily, there's a massive catch. In 2021, BP was actually dropped from the official top-tier gasoline retailer list in several major US markets. Why does that matter? Top tier isn't just a participation trophy, it's a stringent standard set by automakers like BMW, GM, and Toyota because government minimums for detergents are laughably low, nearly 50% lower than what modern direct injection engines actually need to stay clean. When you pay for BP Premium, you're often getting a franchised product, where storage tank maintenance is a roll of the dice. We've seen multi-million-dollar settlements from BP in the past for contaminated fuel in the Midwest. Number 12, Marathon. Marathon is the everyman gas station, but for a premium buyer, that's the problem. They have a massive footprint, but their consistency is non-existent. In 2024, Marathon was slapped with a staggering $64.5 million penalty for Clean Air Act violations. When a company is failing to meet federal emissions and refining standards at the corporate level, how much faith do you have in the quality control of the premium fuel sitting in their underground tanks? For high-compression engines, consistency is everything. If the octane rating or the detergent package varies from station to station. Number 11, Citgo. Citgo is a geopolitical minefield, but more importantly for your car, it's a maintenance minefield. Owned by the Venezuelan state oil company, Citgo has been plagued by legal battles and sanctions that have diverted funds away from infrastructure. The EPA has repeatedly gone after Citgo for failing to properly test for harmful pollutants like benzene at their refineries. But the real red flag? In 2023, a massive contamination event at their Tampa terminal forced dozens of stations to stop selling fuel. If you happened to fill up before that memo went out, your fuel injectors were the ones paying the price. Number 10, Gulf. The orange disc of Gulf is an American icon, but the modern reality is a ghost of its former self. In late 2023, Gulf was acquired by Racetrack, a brand known for budget-conscious, non-top-tier fuel. Most Gulf stations do not carry the top-tier certification. Without those extra detergents, carbon deposits start baking onto your intake valves the moment you leave the lot. Have you ever noticed your car idling a bit rougher after a fill-up? That's often the premium fuel failing to keep your injectors misting properly. With the Racetrack acquisition, many experts expect Gulf's additive packages to be optimized, which is corporate speak for watered down to save money. Number 9, Racetrack. Since they now own Gulf, it's no surprise Racetrack is on the avoid list for premium seekers. Racetrack is a convenience store that happens to sell gas, not a fuel technology company. They prioritize high volume and low prices. Modern engines with gasoline direct injection, or GDI, are incredibly sensitive. As seen in the comparison above, without high-level detergents, the tips of these injectors become crusty with carbon. This disrupts the spray pattern, leading to hot spots in your cylinder. Racetrack stations are notorious for using whatever local supply is cheapest, meaning your premium might barely scrape by the legal minimums. Number 8, Kroger Fuel Centers. I get it, you've got fuel points. It's tempting to save 80 cents a gallon on a tank of premium, but Kroger isn't in the fuel business, they're in the grocery business. They buy fuel from the lowest bidder on the spot market. This means the premium you buy on Kroger on Monday might be from a completely different refinery and have a different additive package than the fuel you buy next week. This inconsistency is a nightmare for performance cars. Furthermore, supermarket stations often have higher turnover but lower maintenance standards for their filtration systems. You might be getting 93 octane, but you're also getting a side of sediment. Number 7, Speedway. Speedway is everywhere, and since their acquisition by 7-Eleven, the focus has shifted entirely to convenience. Like their parent company, Speedway is not top-tier certified. When you see premium at a Speedway, don't expect the high-tech polyethyramine detergents that actually clean carbon. You're getting the bare minimum required by the EPA. Over time, this leads to intake valve deposits. In non-top-tier environments, these deposits can grow heavy enough to act like a sponge, soaking up fuel and causing your car to stumble when it's cold. Is a rewards point worth a sluggish throttle? Number 6. Sam's Club. Membership doesn't always equal quality. While Sam's Club offers some of the lowest prices for premium fuel, they achieve those prices by stripping out the expensive additive packages found in brands like Shell or Chevron. They source from multiple suppliers, which is the enemy of a consistent tune. If you're driving a luxury SUV or a sports car that requires premium, Sam's Club fuel is the equivalent of feeding an Olympic athlete fast food. It'll run, but it won't win any races, and eventually the clogged feeling will set in. Number 5. Love's Travel Stops. Love's is built for the long-haul trucker. Semi-trucks have massive, heavy-duty fuel filters that can handle a bit of dirty fuel. Your turbocharged 4-cylinder cannot. We've seen numerous reports of cloudy fuel and sediment issues at high-volume travel stops like Love's. Because they're often located in rural areas, the premium fuel sits in the underground tanks much longer than the regular or diesel fuel. Premium fuel degrades over time. It loses its volatility. Buying old premium is often worse than buying fresh regular. Number 4. Circle K. Circle K used to be a safe bet, but many of their regions have quietly dropped their top-tier certification to pad their margins. In some states, regulators have even fined Circle K locations for poor storage practices that allowed water to seep into the tanks. Water in a high-pressure fuel system is a death sentence for your fuel pump. If you notice your car hiccuping under hard acceleration after a Circle K fill-up, you've just paid a premium price for a contaminated product. Number 3. 7-Eleven. The world's largest convenience store is also one of the worst places for your engine's health. 7-Eleven fuel is notoriously generic. Because they have so many franchised locations, the oversight on tank maintenance is spread incredibly thin. Without the top-tier additive package, your engine's knock sensors are going to be working overtime. In fact, many mechanics can tell if a customer uses discount premium just by looking at the spark plugs. The soot and carbon buildup are unmistakable. Number 2. Safeway fuel stations. Just like Kroger, Safeway uses fuel as a loss leader to get you into the store. They're not investing in the latest fuel chemistry. If you're driving a car that recommends 91 or 93 octane, you're not just looking for burn resistance, octane, you're looking for the cleaning agents that come with a premium brand. Safeway simply doesn't provide them. You're paying for the octane, but you're missing the protection. Number 1. No-name or independent budget stations. This is the danger zone. Small, independent stations often buy off-spec fuel, batches that were rejected by the big brands for failing to meet certain criteria. These stations often have the oldest underground tanks, which are prone to rust and water ingress. I've seen independent stations mislabel their pumps, selling mid-grade as premium just to make an extra 20 cents a gallon. There is zero brand accountability here. If this fuel melts your catalytic converter, which can cost about $2,000 to $4,000 to replace, the no-name station isn't going to help you. The gold standard. 5 stations you can trust. Now let's talk about where you should be going. These brands invest millions into detergent chemistry that actually cleans your engine while you drive. Number 5. Valero. Valero is a massive refiner that takes pride in its product. Most Valero Premium is top-tier certified and contains a very respectable additive package. They're consistent, and their stations generally adhere to strict maintenance protocols. It's a solid workhorse fuel that provides real protection. Number 6. Costco. Wait, didn't I just bash Sam's Club? Yes, because Costco is different. Costco's Kirkland Signature Fuel is top-tier certified and famously contains 5 times the EPA's required detergent amount. They also use high-quality fuel filters at the pump that they change more frequently than almost any other brand. For the price, it is the best value in the industry. Number 3. Exxon and Mobil. Their Synergy Supreme Plus is a masterpiece of chemical engineering. It contains 2 different types of detergents, one to clean the intake valves and another specifically designed to keep the tips of GDI injectors clear of soot. They also include a friction modifier that lubricates the upper cylinder walls, potentially reducing wear and increasing fuel economy. Number 2. Shell. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus is the gold standard for many enthusiasts. It's designed to remove up to 100% of performance-robbing deposits. It's not just about keeping the engine clean, it's about actively cleaning up the mess left behind by the discount brands we mentioned earlier. If you've been using bad gas, a few tanks of V-Power can actually act as a chemical tune-up.
Number 1. Chevron. Chevron with Techron remains the undisputed king. Techron is so effective that many automakers, including BMW and GM, actually sell bottles of Chevron fuel system cleaner under their own private labels in their parts departments. When you buy Chevron Premium, you are getting a continuous dose of the most proven detergent on the market. It prevents carbon from sticking to the piston tops, which keeps your compression ratios stable and your engine running like new for hundreds of thousands of miles. Which of these stations do you use most often, and have you ever noticed a drop in performance after a discount fill-up? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one.